In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a contact email to your YouTube channel. So first of all, what you need to do is head over to youtube.com, and then once you are on your homepage here, you will need to go to the top right hand corner to your profile picture, and then you will need to head over to YouTube Studio. Once you click on YouTube Studio, obviously what it will do is redirect you to your studio page, and from here what you need to do is just simply click on customization. Once you click on customization, you'll be brought to this page, and as you can see under channel customization here at the top, there is 3 options. In today's video we will need basic info. Once you click on basic info, what you can do is you can scroll all the way down to the bottom where you see an option for contact info. As you can see, let people know how to contact you with business inquiries. The email address that you enter may appear in the about section of your channel, and it will be visible to your viewers. So what you can do is enter in your email address in this box here. Once you have entered in your email address, as you can see in the top right hand corner, this publish button now is available to click. All you simply need to do is click on publish, and then your email address will then be displayed on your channel for anyone to go ahead and access it. So it's just that easy to add an email address to your YouTube channel, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.